Okay, got half a kebab on Turkish bread and some HSP here for dinner. This is from Glenny Kebabs, which is like a chain we have here in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne. Let's give this kebab a go. Both of these are mixed meats, lamb and chicken. A lot of good stuff. Spicy. Not expecting the chip to be super crispy, but let's see. Not that crispy. Still good. Good seasoning. Nice shaved meat. Got some cheese on the HSP too. I'm more of a wrap kebab guy, but my girlfriend likes Turkish bread, so that's what we got. But yeah, solid kebab HSP dinner.